Hi you guys, welcome back. My name is Carrie Penny. I am the Happy Crafty Homemaker, and today I am incredibly excited for this unboxing. This is a package from New Craft Day. They are sponsoring this video. They sent this package to me 100% free of cost to me. However, they were incredibly sweet in what they sent. So I want to crack in on this very quickly, but first I want to direct your attention to the description box down below to access the direct link for what's in here, because there's two of the same item, and also their website. So I know almost everybody knows them for their diamond paintings stuff. However, they are in the process of expanding everything that they offer, so definitely go check out their website. I think it's pretty exciting to watch a company continue to grow and to expand what they are offering. But this is a very special package. As many of you guys know, starting tomorrow, May 1st, it will begin the Spook Your Spring Make-Along that I host every year. So I believe this is either a third or fourth annual Spook Your Spring Make-Along. So it's time to get spooky, time to get crafty, and time to have our Halloween in the spring. There may be Christmas in July. We have Halloween in May. So I am absolutely over the moon excited about this. And I am so incredibly grateful that they were willing to send two of these to us, because one of these is going to be one of the prizes that you can win for the Spook Your Spring Make-Along. So these are the exact same kit, and these are coasters. So let's get this opened up here. Make this easy on myself and pull it behind the camera. Okie dokie, artichoke. Here we go. So here we have our packet with all of our drills. We have the picky uppy tool, tray. There should be a little piece of wax in here. Here we go. I do have my scrapbooking jewel picker that I use a lot of the time. But here are our crystals. And here are our coasters. So they come with a stand for your coasters. And we have our witchy cat. We have some Betties with a spitter. We have a wizard jack-o'-lantern. A happy Halloween that is staring right back at us. I believe this is a haunted house. It is kind of hard to see until you get them done. Yes, this is a haunted house. And then we have another, this is more of a witchy pumpkin. And I believe that says something on it, but that doesn't quite look right for Happy Halloween. I could be missing something there. I see tree branches. Okay. But anyway, I'm very, very excited about this. So I do believe this may end up having to be one of my projects as well. But it comes with 6 coasters and their stand. So I am super duper excited about this. Let me know, you guys, what you think of this. Are you excited at the prospect of being able to win one with your spooky makes? I've never done a diamond painted coaster before. As I told you guys before, I have done some diamond painting, but not a lot. I'm not super experienced with it, so I'm very excited. I'm kind of curious while I've got the camera up, y'all. This does feel a little bit stickier than a standard like canvas diamond painting board or canvas background for diamond painting. So I'm very excited. I can't wait. I can't wait. This is my favorite thing to do every year. I love the Spook Your Spring Make Along. These are balsa wood, so they'll hold up a little bit better than the cardboard ones. But I'm so excited. I cannot wait to see these done. I'm trying so hard to not get started on my spooky makes early. So New Craft Day, thank you so much for sending a project for me and a project for my subscribers. This is absolutely perfect for us this time of year, and I am so excited to get started. Everybody, I love you. I will see y'all tomorrow with the details for the make-along. Have a wonderful day. Bye, guys.